Gometrics is an innovative company that since its beginnings in Barcelona more than 40 years ago designs and manufactures high-quality instruments for the calibration, control and maintenance of industrial processes. Processes involving parameters such as temperature, pressure, electrical signals or gas flow. The MF680 is a multifunction digital calibrator that combines technology, robustness and ease of use in a small portable instrument. It has been designed to accurately record the pressure as well as to measure or generate electrical signals simultaneously. It is an ideal field instrument for calibrating manometers, pressure transmitters, pressure switches and digital indicators, all of which are common devices in industrial control processes. Its printed circuit board is equipped with components with the most advanced technology that guarantee a great stability in the measurement and generation of signals, thus achieving a high manometric accuracy and an almost non-existent electrical drift. The heart of the board is a digital microprocessor with high computing power. It is equipped with functions such as data logger, which records and memorizes the data, and leak testing, which guarantees traceability and the absence of errors in the data collection in the field. The supercap stores a power reserve that maintains date and time information in the event of battery depletion. The buzzer is a device that emits an audible warning to warn the user if it exceeds 110% of the maximum nominal pressure of the equipment. This calibrator is also equipped with an internal power supply that allows an active 4 to 20 mA loop to be supplied, providing a voltage to the circuit of 24 volts DC power. Optionally, a barometric sensor can be installed in the factory to measure the atmospheric pressure and thus be able to express the pressure measurement in absolute units. It also supports vacuum and relative pressure measurement with overlapping ranges of up to 1000 bar. Up to 32 pressure units can be selected in the device configuration. Thanks to the mini USB connector, the MF680 can be connected to a PC to manage and perform various operations such as downloading measurements, updating firmware, checking the last calibration date, or adjusting the instrument to maintain accuracy. Ergonomics, aesthetics and robustness have been given priority in the design of the MF680 calibrator. The result is a compact, streamlined unit for convenient operation. Its very intuitive interface allows you to familiarize yourself with the equipment in a few minutes. With just 2 clicks, you can change functions very easily. The MF680 display has 3 types of display. The individual display, which shows a single magnitude. The dual display, which simultaneously displays 2 equal or different magnitudes. And finally, the graphical display of the measured pressure and the electrical signals measured or generated. The MF680 calibrator can be connected to the Gometrics EXT external pressure module to precisely measure very different pressure values with the same base unit. They help to optimize measurement accuracy over a wide range of pressures, from vacuum to high pressure. They can also be used with different MF680 units at the same time, as their calibration settings are recorded. The measurements or electrical values generated can be stored in the instrument's memory with a handy data logger function. Registration takes place automatically. Through the mini USB connector, data can be transferred to a PC for analysis thanks to a very versatile software supplied with the equipment. This software also allows you to update the firmware of the MF680 with its latest versions without having to send the equipment to the factory. This guarantees their technological evolution and a long service life. The MF680 is a product entirely designed and manufactured by Gometrics, following very strict quality and innovation processes in accordance with the ISO 9001 standard of 2015. All calibrators are delivered with a 3-year warranty and include a calibration certificate issued by our ENAC accredited laboratory on the pressure magnitude as additional proof of their reliability. With the MF680, the calibration is now in your hands.